Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cool intro in CapCut. Alright, this one works on phone as well. Just go ahead and follow the sets of instructions. First up is to import the video right here. The way I'll leave this one in the description. Right here. Just drag it on the editing section. Alright, this is the playback. Now, what we're going to do in here is basically add a text, drag, and I'm going to make it start in here, like this section right here, and here, exactly at the end of the video. So just for this example, sample intro. So in here, you're going to want to select the style. Just for this example, I'm going to select this one. And the color, I'm going to use red, maybe. That works. So let's try this. All right, so what we're going to do to follow the video effects to the right, click or tap on the text. And then the most important thing here is the animation. All right, locate the animation called fade swipe right. Fade in, that's not the one. Or anything that swipes in right. All right, on your phone, you can easily locate fade swipe right. We can use this one, the blur. All right, it's pretty fast, right? So what you're going to want to do is to select the duration. Let's try to how many seconds is this? Let's just try 5 seconds. Hit enter. Nope. Or 1.5. There you go. And that's basically it. To save the video or to save your intro, just go ahead and hit on export. Save the title. Intro. Select the resolution, bitrate, codec format, frame rate, and hit on export. As you can see here, it is done. That's basically it. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.